Welcome to my channel. What if listening to one short story could help you speak English more easily? What if you didn't need grammar books, long lessons, or fear? What if you could listen and speak at the same time and feel progress today, not months later? Stay with me because this video will change how you practice English forever. Chapter 1: Why this short story method feels easy. Many people try to learn English for years. They watch videos, they read books, they learn rules. But when it is time to speak, their mind goes blank, their heart beats fast, their words disappear. But here's the strange part: the problem is not your English. The problem is how you practice. Most people never notice this, but children do not learn language from grammar. They learn from stories, from listening, from repeating sounds again and again, and your brain still works the same way today. That is why stories feel easy, they feel natural, they feel human. When you listen to a short story, your brain relaxes. You are not thinking about rules. You are not afraid of mistakes. You are just listening. And listening is powerful. But here's the important part: listening alone is not enough. And this is where everything changes. Let me show you what changed everything for me. When I stopped studying English and started using stories, my speaking slowly became smooth. I didn't feel pressure. I didn't feel stress. I felt progress. Small progress, but real progress. This short story is not for entertainment only. It is a tool, a simple tool. And when you use it the right way, your English starts to feel easy. And now, let me show you how to listen the right way. Chapter 2: How to listen so your English improves. Most learners listen to English every day. They listen to videos, they listen to movies, they listen to podcasts, but they do not improve. Why? Because they listen passively. Their ears hear English, but their brain is not active. Here's the surprising truth: passive listening does almost nothing for speaking. You may understand more, but your mouth stays silent. And this frustrates many learners. They think something is wrong with them, but nothing is wrong with you. Active listening is different. Active listening means you listen with attention. You listen to the sound, the rhythm, the pause, the feeling. You don't translate. You don't analyze. You just follow the voice. Most people never notice this, but English has music. It has flow. And when you listen carefully, your brain starts to copy that flow. This is where speaking begins. But here's the powerful part: you don't need to wait to speak later. You can speak while listening. And this is called shadowing. And shadowing is the heart of this method. At first, it feels strange. Your voice feels slow. Your words feel weak. But stay with it, because something important is happening inside your brain. And now, let's do the most important step. Chapter 3: Shadowing the story. Listen and speak together. Shadowing means you listen and speak at the same time. You hear one sentence, and you repeat it immediately. Not after, not later, right now. Even if your pronunciation is not perfect, here's the magic part: your brain stops translating. It stops thinking. It starts copying, just like a child, just like a mirror. And this is powerful. Most learners are shocked by this. They feel tired at first. Their mouth feels heavy. But after a few minutes, something changes. Their tongue moves faster. Their voice feels natural. And their fear slowly disappears. Let me tell you something important. Do not pause the audio. Do not repeat many times. Just follow the voice. Even if you miss words, even if you feel lost, keep going. This builds confidence. This builds speed. This builds rhythm. And here's the best part: you are speaking full sentences, not single words. At first, you may only copy sounds. That's okay. Your brain is learning, and every minute you shadow, your speaking becomes easier, but only if you stay consistent. And now, let me show you why using the same short story again and again is the secret. Chapter 4: Why repeating one story works so fast. Many learners think repetition is boring. They think new content is better. But here's the truth no one tells you: repetition creates fluency. When you use the same short story again, your brain feels safe. You already know the meaning. So your brain focuses on speaking, not understanding. This is powerful. On day 1, you struggle. On day 2, you feel familiar. On day 3, your mouth moves faster. And suddenly, English feels easier. Most people quit before this moment. They change videos too fast. They jump methods, and they never feel progress. But if you stay with one story, something amazing happens. You stop reading. You stop thinking. You start speaking naturally. 5 minutes a day is enough. 10 minutes is better. No pressure, no perfection. Just listen and shadow. And now you may ask, what happens after a few days of this practice? Chapter 5: What changes after 3 days and 7 days? After 3 days, many learners notice something small but powerful. They feel less afraid. They understand more without effort. Their mouth opens faster. After 7 days, something bigger happens. Your voice sounds smoother. Your pauses feel natural. Your confidence grows. You may not notice it at first, but one day you speak and it feels easy. That moment is powerful. That moment changes everything. This happens because your brain learns patterns, not rules, not grammar. Patterns and patterns create fluency. Most learners wait months to feel progress, but this method gives you feedback fast, and that keeps you motivated. And now, let me explain why this simple method works so well. Chapter 6: Why this method works and how to continue. This method works because it is natural. It uses listening, speaking, and repetition together. No pressure, no fear. Many people ignore simple methods. They think learning must be hard. But easy methods work when used daily. Here's the key: consistency beats perfection. Even imperfect shadowing helps. Even broken pronunciation improves with time. If you continue this practice for weeks, your English will change slowly, naturally, permanently. And now, I want you to take action. If this video helped you, subscribe to this channel for more English practice stories. Like this video so more learners can find it. And comment below. I will practice with stories. Your English journey starts today. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep going.